Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You are watching the videos on number system. So in this video we'll discuss laws of exponents, how to solve powers and exponent, which you might have done in 8th standard also, and then at the end of the video we'll discuss some of the advanced questions and concept. So again we'll follow the same strategy. We'll solve each and every concept through example. So let's get started with the first concept, which is laws of exponent. Okay, now so these are the basic 4 laws of exponents, first one, second one, third one and fourth one. So let's discuss one by one these laws. The first law is a raised to power p into a raised to power q equals to a raised to power p plus q. Now before discussing these laws, let me clear some of the basic concepts before discussing these laws. First of all, let me tell you what is base and what is power or exponent. Okay, suppose we have a number written like this, 2 raised to power 3. Now you must have done in 8th standard also that this 2 raised to power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. The answer is 8. So the base is 2, and the power is 3. Means we can say like that the number 2 has power 3, means that we will multiply the number or the base 3 times the power it holds. So that is a basic concept of base and power. Now in this law we also express a dot function. In mathematics, let me clarify you. In mathematics, when we introduced a dot operator between two variables, it always implies multiplication. So always keep this thing in mind. Whenever we introduce a dot between two variables, it always implies multiplication. So the first law is a raised to power p into a raised to power q equals to a raised to power p plus q. Means whenever we have same base, the powers get added. Means let me clear this law with example. Suppose we are given 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power minus 2. This means the base in this question is same. So what we can do is we can add the power. So it will become 2 raised to power 3 plus of minus 2. So it will give 2 raised to power 3 minus 2, which is 2 raised to power 1. So this is the first law. Now the second law is a raised to power p raised to power q equals to a raised to power p into q. Means whenever we have a base, it has power q, and we multiply and keep the whole as the base, and we again keep the power q, then the powers get multiplied. So let me explain this through the example. Suppose we have 2 raised to power 3, and for this whole number, the complete number, we have again higher power, which is 4. So according to the law above, it can be written as 2 raised to power 3 into 4 or 2 raised to power 12. Means the power will get multiplied. So the third law is a raised to power p upon a raised to power q equals to a raised to power p minus q. Means whenever we have same base and they are dividing each other, then the powers get subtract it. Means suppose we have question like this, 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 5. So this can be written as 2 raised to power 6 minus 5. Means in this question we have same base, but so we can subtract the powers. Why? Because we have two numbers, the numbers have same base and they are dividing each other, so the powers get subtracted. Now the fourth law is a raised to power p into b raised to power q equals to ab raised to power p. Means suppose now in this question we have different base but the powers are same. So whenever we have different base but we have same powers and they are getting multiplied, so we can always multiply the base and keep the power same. So let me explain this also through example. Suppose we have 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 6. Clearly in this example we have different base but same power as in 6. So what we can do is we can multiply these two bases, 2 into 3, and we make power 6 as complete power. So the answer will come out to be 6 raised to power 6. So these were the basic 4 laws of exponents on which whole chapter upon exponents powers is based. So let's discuss some of the examples to understand these laws more clearly. Okay. Now the first example is we have to simplify these 4 questions. So let's solve these questions one by one. The first question is 2 raised to power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to power 1 by 3. Now clearly in this question we have same base as in 2, so we can apply the law a raised to power p into a raised to power q equals to a raised to power p plus q. Why? Because we have same base and they are getting multiplied, so that we can add the powers. So this implies this, it can be written as 2 raised to power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So we can solve further. We can take LCM of the powers. LCM will be 3, so it will be 2 plus 1. So the answer will be 2 raised to power 3 upon 3. It will be 2 raised to power 1. So this is a final answer. Now the second question is 3 raised to power 1 by 5 whole power as in 4. So clearly in this question we can apply the law a raised to power p whole power as in q equals to a raised to power p into q. So we can multiply the powers. So 3 raised to power 1 by 5 raised to power 4 can be written as 3 raised to power 1 by 5 into 4. So the answer will come out to be 3 raised to power 4 by 5. Now the third question is 7 raised to power 1 by 5 upon 7 raised to power 1 by 3. Now clearly in this question we have same base but they are dividing each other, so we can apply the law a raised to power p upon a raised to power q equals to a raised to power p minus q. Means we can subtract the powers. So this implies this can be written as 7 raised to power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So this can be simplified further. 7 raised to power, we can take LCM. The LCM will be 15, so it will be 3 minus 5, so it will be 7 raised to power minus 2 by 15. So this is the final answer. Now the last question is 13 raised to power 1 by 5 into 17 raised to power 1 by 5. Now clearly in this question we have different base and they are getting multiplied, but we have same power as in 1 by 5. So we can apply the law a raised to power p into b raised to power p equals to ab raised to power p. So this question can be written as 13 into 17 raised to power 1 by 5. So which can be simplified further. So these were the some of the basic questions based on laws of exponents. So let's discuss further more questions which are bit exam type of questions which are generally seen in examination. So watch the videos carefully. Now you have to simplify this. Whenever they say you have to simplify, means you have to simplify this part, this complete part, as much as possible. So let's try it. Let's try to simplify as much as possible. So the question is 5 into 1 by 8, sorry, it's 8. 5 into 8 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 27 raised to power 1 by 3 bracket close whole power 3, then again bracket close, again whole power 1 by 4. Now whenever you have to solve these type of questions, you always have to make the numbers as prime numbers. So we can clearly see here 5 is a prime number, but 8 is not a prime number. So we can factorize 8. So 8 can be factorized at 2, 4, 2, 2, 2 and 2. So 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 or 2 raised to power 3. So clearly for 27 we can write it as 3 into 3 into 3, which is 3 raised to power 3. So this can be written as 5 into 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 3 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3 bracket close power 3 and again bracket close power 1 by 4. Now this can be written as again 5 into, now this will become 2 in 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3. Why? The powers will get multiplied, plus 3 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3 bracket close power 3 again bracket close whole power 1 by 4. Now this can be written as 5 into, now in this part the power 3 will get cancelled out, it will become 2 raised to power 1 plus again the power will cancel out, it will become 3 raised to power 1 bracket close power 3 again bracket close raised to power 1 by 4. Now this further can be simplified as bracket 5 into, now 2 raised to power 1 is 2 and 3 raised to power 1 is 3. So 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So it will become 5 raised to power 3 bracket close raised to power 1 by 4. So now these two numbers are same, means the base is same and we have powers, so we can add the power. So this will become 5 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 3 bracket close raised to power 1 by 4. So this will become 5 raised to power 1 plus 3 bracket close 1 by 4. Why 1 plus 3? Because we have same base, the powers will get added. So this will become 5 raised to power 4 whole power 1 by 4. Again we can multiply the powers, so this will become 5 raised to power 4 into 1 by 4. This will get cancelled out, so answer will be 5 raised to power 1, which is equals to 5. So this is how we can simplify large questions to a number. So let's discuss further some of the more examples related to laws of components only, exponents only. So the next question is, you have to simplify 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube whole power 1 by 2. So it's very easy question. but it's a very important question also, so watch the question carefully. So question is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube raised to power 1 by 2. Now, so before solving this question, listen carefully. Always remember laws of exponents. Laws of exponents always apply to multiplication or division. So always remember. Now here we have addition sign, so we cannot apply laws of exponents, so we have to solve the parts individually. So 1 cube is 1 plus 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8, plus 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27 is to power 1 by 2. Now we will add these three numbers, so it will be 27 plus 8 plus 1, so it will be 36, so it will become 36 raised to power 1 by 2. Now further we have to check whether 36 is a perfect square or not, so we'll try to factorize 36. So 36 can be written as 6 into 6, 6, so 36 can be written as 6 square raised to power 1 by 2. So again we can multiply the powers, so it is 6 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2, so this will get cancelled out, so answer will be 6. So this is how we solve this question. So let's discuss next question. Okay, the question is we have to again simplify this part. So it's very easy question, but it is a very common type of question, so watch the video carefully. Now the question is we have to simplify 8 raised to power 1 by 3 into 16 raised to power 1 by 3 upon 32 raised to power minus 1 by 3. Okay, now one important concept over here: whenever we change a number from denominator to numerator, whenever we shift or change, you can say change a number from numerator to denominator, or you can say vice versa, the sign of power always change. Means suppose we have 1 by 2 raised to power 6. If we try to shift this number 2 raised to power 6 to numerator, so it will become 2 raised to power minus 6. So the power of the sign of power will always change. So in this question it can be written like this: 8 raised to power 1 by 3 into 16 raised to power 1 by 3 into 32 raised to power 1 by 3. So we are shifting this number to numerator, so the power will become positive. So what further, we can factorize these three numbers. So 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 1 by 3. Now 16 can be written as, let's factorize it, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 4. You can write 2 raised to power 4 raised to power 1 by 3 into, now 32 can be written as like this: 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be written as 2 raised to power 5. So 2 raised to power 5 raised to power 1 by 3. Now again these powers will get multiplied. So it will become 2 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 raised to power 4 into 1 by 3 into 2 raised to power 5 into 1 by 3. So this will get cancelled out now. So we are left with 2 raised to power 1 into 2 raised to power 4 by 3 into 2 raised to power 5 by 3. Again we can apply a law. Why? We have same base, so we can add the powers. So we can write like this: 2 raised to power 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Again it will become 2 raised to power, you can take 3 as LCM, so it will become 3 plus 4 plus 5. So it will become 2 raised to power 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 5 12, so 12 upon 3. So this will cancel out, 3 1s are 3 4s are, so it will be 2 raised to power 4, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So answer will be 60. So this is the final answer. Now so let's discuss the next question. Now this question is very good question, so you have to watch this question very carefully. Again we have to simplify this part. Now we have to simplify 256 raised to power minus bracket 4 raised to power minus 3 by 2. Now clearly in this question we cannot apply any law directly. Why? Because we have a base raised to power a number. In that number we again have a base as 4. In that base we have power minus 3 by 2. So we have to solve this question step by step. So let's solve this part first, that 4 raised to power minus 3 by 2. So it can be written like this: 256 raised to power minus 4 can be written as 2 square raised to power minus 3 by 2 bracket close. So it can be written as further 256 raised to power minus bracket 2 square, so it will be 2 into minus 3 by 2. So this and this will cancel out, bracket close. So it will be 256 raised to power minus 2 raised to power minus 3. Now so this is power, so it further can be written like this: 256 raised to power minus 1 by 2 raised to power 3. Why? When we change the number from numerator to denominator, the power, the sign of a power changes. So clearly it can be written as 256 raised to power minus 1 by 8. Why? Because 2 raised to power 3 is 8, so it will be 1 by 8. Now this number 256 has power minus 1 by 8. So we will solve this number 256 now. So let's factorize 256. 256 can be written as, let's do it with 4. 4 6 are 64, then 4 16, then 4 4s are, then 4 raised to power 1. Now clearly 256 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So this will become 4 raised to power 4 raised to power minus 1 by 8. So this will become 4 raised to power 4 into minus 1 by 8. So it will become 4 1s are 4 2s are. So it will become 4 raised to power minus 1 by 2. Now 4 can further be factorized. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So it will become 2 square raised to power minus 1 by 2. So this and this again will cancel out. So the answer will come out 2 raised to power minus 1. So it can be written as 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. So let's discuss next question, which is also a very good question. So okay, now the next question is we have to find the value of this complete part, or you can say we have to simplify the number. Again, first we'll write the number. The number is 4 upon 216 raised to power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 256 raised to power minus 3 by 4 plus 2 upon 243 raised to power minus 1 by 5. So what is the next step? So we have to simplify each number to its prime number. Again, 216 can be factorized as 6, 6 3s are 18, 3 carry 36, 6 6 and 6 1. So it can be written as 6 cube. So it can be written as 4 upon 6 raised to power 3 whole power minus 2 by 3 plus 1 upon, now 256 we have done already. 256 can be written as 4 raised to power 4. So it will be written as 4 raised to power 4 raised to power minus 3 by 4 plus 2 upon 243. Now let's do factorization for 243. So first it will be done with 3. So 3 8s are 24, 1 carry, then 3 2s are 6, 27, then 3 9s are, then 3 3s are, then 3 1s are. So how many 3? 1 2 3 4 5. So it can be written as 3 raised to power 5 raised to power minus 1 by 5. So this can further be written as 4 upon 6 raised to power minus 2 by 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 4 raised to power minus 3 by 4 into 4 plus 2 upon 3 raised to power 5 into minus 1 by 5. Again we can cancel out. This and this will get cancelled. This and this will cancel. This and this will get cancelled. So the answer comes out to be 4 upon 6 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to power minus 3 plus 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 1. Clearly we have powers as negative sign, so we can shift the numbers to numerator. So it will become 4 into 6 square plus 1 into 4 raised to power 3 plus 2 into 3. So this can further be written as 4 into 36 plus 4 cube can be written as 4 into 4 into 4. So it is 16 into 4, which is 64. It will be plus 64. Then 2 into 3 is 6. Now 36 into 4 is 144 plus 64 plus 6. So when we add 144, 64 and 6, the answer will come out to be 14. 6 4s are 10, 11 and 240. So the final answer is 214. So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. So keep watching further videos on number system.